Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to link clinical data. The ability to link clinical data is used when a dependent moves to another medical aid scheme or option separate from the main member. The reason for moving could be because of marriage, divorce, death of the main member, or because of a duplicate patient. First, let us go over where to find the link button. From the diary screen, click on the desired patient's booking. The diary sidebar will open. Click on the Data Edit button to open the Data Edit screen. For an extensive explanation regarding the Data Edit screen, please refer to the View or Update Data and Patient Information user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Link button next to the relevant data that the user wishes to link to a new file. The Link Patient screen will open. Patients that the user would like to link clinical data to will display in blue for patients already in the group. A patient which was searched, which the user would like to link clinical data to, will display green for patients that will be added to the group. Any patient that the user would like to unlink clinical data from will be displayed in red for patients that will be unlinked from the group. Click on the search field and type the name of an existing data that the user would like to link the clinical data to. The user is able to search for a data by using either a name, surname, ID, or medical aid number. Select the desired patient. The selected patient will display under the original patient information. Click on the Remove button on the desired patient in order to delete the patient from the selected group. The user can click on the Preferred button to link the clinical information from the previous patient file to the new one. Click on the Save Current Configuration button. Alternatively, the user is able to click on the Clear List button to remove all groups from the list. An attention pop-up will open, requesting the user to enter a PIN in order to confirm the changes made. Type the previously set PIN. Click on the Cancel button if the user does not wish to proceed with linking the clinical data. If the user would like to continue with linking the clinical data, click the OK button. If the user would like to remove the link between the two groups, click on the Unlink button. Click on the Close button if the user would like to exit the linking screen without saving any changes. To save the newly linked data and return to the data details screen, click on the Save button.